Well, hello there, Retro PC Durham. Chris here with another video. We've got the Gateway M675 still hanging around the workbench here. Hasn't found a new home yet. And I thought, you know, this is a video that's been a long time coming, inspired by MJD, Michael MJD on YouTube. And that is this little CD here. So this, if I remember correctly, actually came in the same donation that the Gateway laptop came in. So these might have even belonged together at one point in time. This PC Elite Suite version 2.4 CD. So like one of these compilation CDs from indemandsoftware.com. You know, this kind of stood out to me as just one of these, like, is this like just crap, bloatware, horrible, or is there actually some good stuff on here? And frankly, the only way to really find out is to put it in a machine and load it up. And I thought, you know, why don't you share that pain with me? And that's what we're going to do in this video. So I'm going to get the Gateway booted up. I'm going to get the CD in, and we're going to install everything that's on this and see what happens. We're all booted up. Everything's up and running. The constant hum of the cooling assembly cooling down the souped up Pentium 4 that we upgraded this machine with is going very well, and we're next just going to have to install the CD. So there's our optical drive there ready to go, and yeah, let's get this installed. So the indicator light is going, but it's like the non-stop going. Oh, now it's kind of got solid enough. Oh, quick, I gotta move again. Something happened. I really do feel like I'm making an MJD video here with like, just things are just wonky and not working and sometimes working. All right, so we have something happen here. We've got the autoplay, the auto run and install. So let's just do the install, right? Preview, what? What are these files? Install is an icon. Okay, so well, let's open the auto run and see what happens. We are very slowly oh my gosh, here we go. Computer Associates Internet Security Suite Plus 2010 with a 12-month subscription. My goodness. This software, oh, it's got like a little they've got like a description of what's in each of these things. So the CA Internet Security Plus, it's got like a whole description. Oh, it's got descriptions of everything here. So Job Finder is the next one. Job Finder, search hundreds of job sites at once. Job searching doesn't have to be so complicated. Oh, I wish I had installed this CD last year when I was looking for a new job. They could have helped me find one. Serif Web Plus Essentials, take all the complication out of web design, so a web design app. Form Tool Deluxe takes the effort out of creating and using electronic forms with a new drag and drop design. So you can make forms to put on the website that you just built. Turbo Project Standard, full-featured project control with superior resource management. Anyone who spends some time scheduling, oh, wow, I could use this now. I need help with my time management skills. Printmaster Express, oh, jam-packed with everything you need to create stunning greeting cards, banners, scrapbooks, and more. My goodness. Texas Hold'em. Learn to speak Spanish. Amazing. Stoic Panorama Maker. Turns any group of overlapping photos into a high-quality panoramic image. Take that, Apple iPhone. I have Stoic Panorama Maker for my photos. Digital TV for PC. Watch over 1,000 television channels from the comfort of your desktop or notebook computer. Wow, can you imagine that in 2010? Aquazone open water brings the vastness of the world's seas to your PC. My goodness. I don't even know what to think what that could possibly be. Morpheus Photo Animation Suite helps you create Hollywood-style morphs, wraps, and mixes from digital photos. Org Chart Professional easily creates organizational charts and organizes your employees. What? Employees? And I can import data from Excel or any ODBC compliant data. What? I this is maybe I'm the wrong target audience for this CD. Obviously, PC Elite Suite isn't just for some basement dwelling pleb. This is for business owners who have employees. Movie Now. Create polished, tightly edited movies. A movie maker. Oh, wow. Wow. Serif Digital Scrapbook Artist. Digital Scrapbook. Oh, wow as well. Although that's kind of not really a real wow. Okay. Quicken Willmaker. Oh, there you go. You can make a will, especially if you want to hand down and pass on all of your large amounts of money that you make from your business that you have all of your employees organized with. Home and Business Lawyer. Oh, helps you prepare professionally written, legally approved forms. You don't need a lawyer anymore. You don't need a lawyer. Take that, Internet Lawyer. I have Home and Business Lawyer 2010. I don't need a lawyer because I have lawyer software. Wow. And Check It Registry Cleaner. Easily boost your computer's speed and performance. Check It Registry Cleaner dramatically enhances your PC's performance by locating, repairing, and optimizing the Windows system registry. I wonder if we'll be able to use Check It Registry Cleaner to clean up the registry of this computer after installing all of this crap. And we could register. We could register our copy of PC Elite Suite as well. So should we get started here? Let's start from the top and install Computer Associates Internet Security Suite Plus 2010 and see what happens. So we clicked. It is making noises of the compact disc kind. I can hear the laser head shifting back and forth in rapid succession. But I don't... Well, I'm assuming if it took as long as it did to even get this thing started up, that installing one of these applications is going to be a nightmare. But let's see what happens. I hope that any of the software that we already installed isn't going to cause any problems, right? Like I have the PandaDome antivirus software installed on this, so I hope the Internet Security Suite Plus doesn't get mad at having that, but it's Computer Associates. I mean, obviously this is a high quality software product. Yeah. And we'll see if we can get away with not having to connect up to the internet. I don't trust like plugging this thing into the internet with any of these programs installed. I don't like the Job Finder tool. Who knows what it connects to today? All right, well, the installation wizard appears to be working. Let's minimize this box here. And yeah, oh, here we go. Look at that. Welcome to Internet Security Suite. Should we change the advanced options or do the standard installation? I'm gonna YOLO it. We're gonna YOLO all of these, and we're just gonna say, you know what? I trust you, CA Internet Security, to install the things that I need. And look at that. We gotta accept the agreements. Obviously, I did a quick cut here, and I read through all of these user agreements. I just didn't include it in the video. You know that. You always read the terms and conditions, both in this case for CA's terms and conditions and the lesser general public license agreement as well. So there we go. So now we're going to have this install, and it's going to take several minutes. So we'll, I guess, fast forward through this. Oh, we're gonna get a quick tour. Oh my. Okay. You interface, alerts, computer, internet, files, kids, help and support. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. I guess if you were a long time CA internet security user, you'd want to know what's new in the 2010 version. Wow. All this information. We're gonna skip the tour, I think, and just go in and make sure that it's not doing anything wonky here. Yeah, so it's oh look, it's your computer's not fully secure. Let's view our alerts. What did it actually say it didn't like? Virus signature was out of date. Okay. And we strongly recommend you perform a scan. Oh, your alerts was just we haven't finished setting up yet. That was the problem. Okay, well, that appeared to have installed. So I'm going to assume that we're kind of okay. Let's see if we can get the CD running again. And I mean, assuming that antivirus firewall software is probably the most, if I can use the word, invasive of all of the applications that are on here, with the exception of Check It Registry Cleaner in terms of what it's capable of doing. All the rest of this stuff should be pretty straightforward. So maybe we can just do a montage where I'll just burn through installing all of these apps. So let's get started. Did it crash? Did the Check It installation crash? I can't tell. It seems like it might have crashed. It's stuck at this creating duplicate files, time remaining 8 seconds. Oh no! Oh no! Check It! You were the app that was supposed to protect us. No. Okay, I had to step away from the computer, but it did. It finished. It finished. The Registry Cleaner finished installing. All right, so we have. It appears that we have everything that was going to install working. Oh, look at Check It decided that it's just going to run. It's going to run. So I'm going to close some of this stuff down here. We're done with our installation, and Check It's going to do its business. I'm going to go ahead and remove our CD from the computer here. I shouldn't be surprised how many bugs and things popped up there during the installation process. I was expecting some of these not to work, right? Obviously, we saw some of them just wouldn't install. But the fact that there was a malware pop up and some registry, I maybe the registry extension, things are, false positives. But the fact that there was a piece of malware found in one of the applications as it was installing, that should not happen. That should not happen. So, some of my worst fears were true. That some of the software that was included on this is just garbage. So we'll see what Check It says it's already found 253 infected entries. So I guess we'll find out after it finishes doing its scan here if it will clean up everything that needs to. All right, so we go through here and see our system stuff here. It looks like it's mostly the usual. There's nothing There's nothing really weird here. So we'll go ahead and repair the system errors. Again, we're just going to assume that everything is working fine. Everything is working fine. This version of Check-It is not going to destroy the installation of Windows that we have. Everything is going to be just fine. All right. We've completed our 302 traces. All right, so it looks like we're ready to go. Can close that file up. I'm thinking now maybe, why don't we be a little bit dangerous here and try something out. So, I mean, I have hooked this machine up to the internet before when I first set it up. But what I'm thinking here is maybe we can go and check to see if this software company still exists. I don't know. Maybe? All right, www.indemandsoftware, right? .com. Oh, what? They still exist? Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're gonna log in using customer ID 13126499, and the password is it wants me to. Oh, it wants you to provide all this information? Oh no. No. Oh my goodness. The website still exists and you can still log in. That's crazy. All right, I'm not going to complete this process here. It would be great to get the keys and stuff, but I don't want to provide any login information here, and I don't have any dummy stuff set up right now. And besides, if I ever want to give this to somebody else to enjoy and install malware on their computer, I want them to be able to get all the software that they can install set up. So wow, that's great. Well, that will bring our little adventure into the PC Elite Suite version 2.4 to an end. I hope you enjoyed the pain with me, and this was suitably nostalgic of the Michael MJD crazy software installation pieces. I was inspired by him, and I hope that I did even just a little bit of justice. Yeah, so feel free to share your comments down below if you have any horror stories with these kind of software packages from the past, or even current, because I'm sure that stuff like this is still included in some bloatware installations with computers that get sold today even now. So yeah, I want to hear all about your horror stories, please. As always, I hope you are staying safe and healthy, and we'll catch you in the next one.